Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to create this smoky eye for you. I don't think I've filmed a smoky eye yet, and I really want to show you guys how I blend the black into colors because a lot of people have hard times doing that. So if you want to see how to create it, keep on watching. So for this look, we're not going to do foundation first. We're going to start with our eyes, and we're going to start by taping the edge of our eye. I like to line it up a couple millimeters away from my eyebrow's end. So now we're going to start by priming our eyelids, and I'm going to use Morphe's Eyelid Primer in Translucent. So we're going to set our lids with any translucent powder, and I'm going to use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. And I'm just going to use this little Real Techniques brush. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to start with this brown in the crease. It is the second row, fourth color. And I'm just going to use this little fluffy brush for that. Since we're doing a black smoky eye, you don't have to worry about getting these colors too far down on the lid because you're just going to go right over that in black. Going with the clean blending brush, we need to clean up any lines. Next, I'm going to go in with this yellow. It's kind of like a mustard yellow, and it's the first one in the second row. I'm going to use this Morphe blending brush with that color. Kind of put that in the same spot that we just put that brown. You want to make sure you really get a gradient going up to the brow bone. You want that yellow to show there. So the last color for the crease we're going to go in with is this orange, and that's the second row, fifth color. I'm going to use a Makeup Forever 218 blending brush for this one. Make sure to grab some more of that yellow and blend that out just to give it like a sunset-y effect. So since we're doing a black smoky eye, I'm gonna go in with Smashbox's Photo Finish Lid Primer in Smoke. You can use an eyeliner or a pencil shadow as a base. It'll just help darken everything up. With that same fluffy brush we were just using, I'm going to go over that lid and just pack on some of that black. And I'm using a black from the same palette. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe S20 pencil brush. And just smoke it out really slowly. Make sure to alternate going back in those colors we just used. Next, I'm going to go into my waterline with this waterproof gel liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Dark Side. Just like that. And then we're going to go back in with that pencil brush and some of that black shadow. We still have to do the under eye, so this is just the basis for it. Alright, now we're going to do some little liner, and I'm going to go in with Morphe's Lit AF Gel Liner. And I'm using the Sigma Eyeliner E11 brush. So I'm going to start by priming my face with this Combo Control Milky Face Primer by Bare Minerals. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty foundation in 320. I'm going to mix it with this Gillette Cushion Complexion in 200 Nude. Get it on the back of my hand. I'm just going to mix that up with a flat concealer brush. I'm going to take our beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to use NARS Creamy Concealer in Ginger. And I'm going to set this with Makeup Forever's HD High Definition Powder. Using that Real Techniques brush we used to set the eyelid with. We're going to set the face with that same HD powder. Next, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer on this Morphe Rose Gold Edition brush. Then I'm going to go in and contour with this Smashbox contour palette. I'm going to use this darkest shade. I'm going to use this one as blush, the middle red terracotta color. I like to go back in with my powder brush and just make sure all those lighter spots are still light. I'm going to contour my nose with that same dark brown we just used in our cheeks with this A3 brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're just going to blend that out with our brush. Now we're going to go back under the eyes with some of that orange on this pencil brush. Then I'm going to go in with that yellow color on a fluffy brush and just blend it all out. For lashes, I'm going to use Go On and Fake It by Morphe. While those are drying, I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Pink Sands, and I'm going to be using Azores. Azores. I hate my life. And I've started doing this before I do my highlight. I like to spray my face with my setting spray. Just a whole lot. You want to put a good amount. And then we're just gonna go in. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23. You just wanna go in. That's crazy. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit. I always like to go back in my finger and make sure there are no harsh lines. I'm also gonna use that same color for my brow bone and my inner corner. I think the lashes are drying good, so I'm gonna push down our lashes. So now we're gonna do some mascara, and I'm gonna use Smashbox Super Fan. Make sure to get the bottom lashes too. So first I always make sure to moisturize my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte in Icon. So I didn't love that color, so I ended up mixing it with Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Deep Thoughts. So these two. Just gonna blot it up. Yeah, I kind of like that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.